Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, now we are going to design beams in Etabs. In last tutorial, we have seen almost all the beams were failing like this. Red colored beam are failing and black colored beam are passing in Etabs. We can see the reason for failing. Summary: here shear stress due to shear force and torsion together exceeds maximum allowed. So here most of the beams failed for shear and torsion. We will capture the photo of this structural plan with failed beam and the section name. Then we will change the section and torsional constant to redesign the beam for passing. Copy this one, paste. This is first floor. We can check in the grade beam level. Here all beams are passing for grade beam, only one, this one is failing, and stair beam also failing for shear and torsion. This also 10 by 15. We'll take one photo. In this way we will take all the photos for all the story where the beams are failing. We have finished. Now we will go to grade beam level. Here we will unlock the model. Here, as it is selected by auto section, so all beams are passing with 12 by 15 section, grade beam section, so it's okay. Here only this one having 12 by 18 inch section. Here also, here also. We will select all the beams. Select all the beams as GB 12 by 15, not auto section. These two we will select 12 by, the supporting beam also we will select as 12 by 18. Sorry, this previous selection GB 12 by 18. First we will go for floor beams. In floor beams we can change the torsional constant, but for grade beam we will not go for torsional modifier. I will discuss about the torsional property modifier in Etabs elaborately in next tutorial. Here only one beam failing, we will go for that later on. First, here this one failing, we will select this and this beam as 10 by 18 for all story. This one and this one we will choose as 10 by 18. Now here in case of floor beam we will go to first floor view. Here first floor, so I will go, so here in this case I will go for similar stories or all stories, periphery beam, all stories will select this grid beam also, so go for similar story. Ten by 15. Here 10 by 18 as we selected in lower floor. This 3 beam we will choose as 10 by 21. These beams also I will reduce 10 by 15. So for similar stories it is changed. Now go to 10th floor in the roof. By 15. This direction also, this direction 10 by 21. We'll go for all story, select the beam, all story, select the beams, go to grid beam level. Here I will select one story, I will deselect this beam. From here also you can go for here also XY like this. We have deselected ground floor level. Now I will assign property modifier as 0.001. Click on apply. Here these beams also we will change to 1021. This side, as there is water tank, this one I will make it 10 by 18, 10 by 15, 15. These two beams also I will go for assign property modifier 0.001. Apply. Now I will run analysis and design and see how much beams are failing after modifying torsional constant. Now go for design. Okay, this 10th floor having 1 2 3 beam, 9 2 beam, 8 2 beam, 7 here 1 beam, 3 beam, 6th floor, 5th floor, 4th floor. So first floor it is okay, and second floor. Now we will change this direction beam, as you can see, up to 6th floor. Up to 6th floor we will design same section, and then 7th I'll take photo for 7. Just coming to the second stage, this one, 7th floor, 8 9 10. So 7 8 9 10 we will go with same section. Here it is passing. Now come to this stair beam. Also we need to change in section. Now reduce stiffness modifier, same way. On Storied, assign 0.001. Now here up to 6th floor, this I'll change. Sixth floor we will make it. Add copy of property B 10 by 24. Click on apply. 7th floor I need to change these two and this one. These two I'll make 10 by 24. This one 10 by 24. These two 10 by 24. 10 by 24. 10 by 24. Okay, now we will run the analysis and design again. Now run the design. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6. Unlock this model. from all history I will select this only in the grade beam and deselect and apply 10 by 21. These two beam and make it 10 by 18 and this 10 by 24 beam I will change it, add copy, or this one I will modify as 12 by 21. We will see in this case it is passing or not. This is 12 by 21. Now run the analysis. Run the design. Okay. Still it is failing. 10th floor also. Assign, modify, add copy, B 12 by 27. Apply. Now run the analysis. Unlock this model, all history, this column, this column, this and this one I will rotate. So that this direction it can get more rigidity because length of column along this direction. All history, delete. This one replicate, apply, this one and this one, apply. Now again we can run our analysis and design. Now run the design. Third floor, this beam problem solved. Second floor also here. Now for this beam solution I will go for another trial. I will delete this column. I will use this one, replicate from here to here, apply this and this from here to here, apply. Now see these two column for two side same, and for the internal column 4 columns are same. So it is now having symmetric structural configuration. This one and provide C12 by 18 21. These two column I will rotate to 90 degree. Okay, so that's this length of column will provide more rigidity along y direction. Now I'll run the analysis. Here we are giving lots of trial for these two beams, as these two beams are failing. If this time also fails, then we will proceed with this section and we will provide more shear and torsional lever in these beams. And after this beam design part, we will go for defined checks for building. After those checks, we will go for beam column detailing, shear wall design and detailing, and last we will go for foundation. So stay tuned with Decode BD and get all the parts for learning. And remember that in the next tutorial I will explain about the torsional constant or torsional property modifier in Etabs. So now go for design. Still these two beams are having problem. Now at last we have to check the last way of solution for this beam problem. Okay, I hope this will help to solve this issue. So go to all story. I will delete this two beam. Here it is not deleted. This beam and this beam I will delete, and these two I will delete. Now here I will model B 10 by 24, 10 by 24, and here I will try with 10 by 21. Now select this one story, these two. Before it was GB 12 by 18, this one 15. These two beam are having line load 0.55 feet. Okay, and go to roof, 10th floor. Here this is okay, only these two beam we will delete extra. Now go to any floor, then on deform shape, then it will come the option for one story or story like this. If load is shown or deformed shape is shown here, then this option will not be available. When you will click on this, then it will available. All story, this two and this two, assign 0.001. Okay, now for grade beam we will not go for that one. This two and this two, assign. I hope this time this beam and this beam will pass for all the floors. Now go for design. Okay, I hope this time all passed. So we have come to our solution. When there will be this type of problem with 2-3 types of beam, in those cases we will delete these beams and we will draw again with loading and torsional modifier. Then we will run analysis and design. It may solve the issue. So we have finished our column and beam design. Next we will go for our different type of checks. Before that I will explain the issue about torsional property modifier. So stay tuned and keep watching Decode video.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.